Good morning. How did you sleep? Good morning. How did you sleep? I need to get ready for work. I need to get ready for work. What would you like for breakfast? What would you like for breakfast? This coffee tastes great. This coffee tastes great. It looks sunny today. It looks sunny today. When does the bus arrive? When does the bus arrive? How long is the journey? How long is the journey? Can you help me with this task? Can you help me with this task? How are you, everyone? How are you, everyone? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Yes, I am sorry. Use the reader.
I'd like a sandwich, please. I'd like a sandwich, please. It's nice to see you again. It's nice to see you again. I try to stay healthy. I try to stay healthy. Dinner will be ready soon. Dinner will be ready soon. This show is really amazing. This show is really amazing. I'm feeling tired tonight. I'm feeling tired tonight. Good night and see you tomorrow. Good night and see you tomorrow.